This video is a short overview of the main home page and left menu options of your boberdoo system. Each section will be covered in more detail in future videos. This is just a brief guide to the most frequently used ones. So the home page is the first thing that you see once you log in, and it conveniently displays a number of graphs and charts showing different types of lead statistics. All these graphs are customizable. You can choose the lead type and the date range to be displayed, and you can manage and adjust all the graphs further in Manage Dashboards at the top. The graphs include lead sales, lead overviews by source, status, and vendor, profit reports, and client statistics. You can choose which columns are included in the charts and how they are sorted. You can also adjust the number of records and the size and the type of the graphs, and also their layout, which is done simply by dragging and dropping the boxes at the bottom. You can change the look of your lead system by clicking the Themes button at the top and choosing one of the 4 preset themes. And next to the Themes button is the Tickets button, which takes you to the Support section where you can submit your requests to us called Tickets. The Settings tab on the left is where you can set up your sources and vendors. Sources are set up in source/vendor settings, and vendor accounts and logins are managed in the Manage Vendors tab. Creating and managing the user accounts for your system is done in Manage Users. First, you create a user group with a certain set of permissions, and then you create users, which have to belong into a certain group. The Notification Manager is a place to configure email notifications to leads and partners and users, which are triggered by certain system events. And under Settings, you can also set up and manage sales reps accounts. The API specs section below contains all the API specs of the system, and this is also where you can find the specs for your ping post lead types. The specs for regular direct posts can be found in the Lead Types tab, which lists all the existing lead types, and clicking on their names will show you the full specs page. If you sell phone leads, all your call routing management is done in the Phone Routing section. This is where you can set up and manage different campaigns for different verticals and order regular and premium phone numbers. You can also choose from preset or custom welcome messages. You can view your current request processing. You can manage your phone numbers, view your campaign history, and active phone calls, and much more. The Leads page contains all the leads divided by a lead type, along with the number of tools for lead management, such as editing, searching, filtering, reprocessing, and more. The Clients page is where you can set up your clients' accounts, their filter sets, permissions, billing options, and so on. Refunds are done in a separate tab on the left where you can browse and accept or decline refund requests. And the Reports section below that enables you to run a number of predefined reports as well as custom and timed ones, divided again by lead type. So stay tuned for more. The next videos will focus more closely on individual sections of your boberdoo system.